Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we've got something special for you, the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Twin. Royal Enfield has been making waves in the motorcycle world with their retro-inspired designs and robust performance. With the introduction of the Shotgun 650, they're taking a bold step into the future while keeping their classic roots alive. So, let's dive into what makes this bike a game changer. The design and styling. The 2025 Shotgun 650 is all about bold, aggressive styling with a hint of nostalgia. With its sleek, modern lines, minimalistic bodywork, and muscular stance, this bike exudes confidence on the road. The wide, flat handlebar gives it a commanding presence, while the sculpted tank and the twin exhausts remind us of its retro heritage. The Shotgun's design strikes a perfect balance between vintage aesthetics and modern engineering, a true testament to Royal Enfield's evolution, engine, and performance. Underneath that stunning exterior, the Shotgun 650 packs a punch. Powered by the same 648cc parallel twin engine found in the Meteor 650 and Interceptor 650, this bike delivers 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing smooth acceleration and a relaxed cruising experience. Whether you're riding around town or hitting the open highway, the Shotgun 650 offers a perfect blend of power, refinement, and ease of use. Handling and comfort. The 2025 Shotgun 650 doesn't just look good, it's designed for a thrilling ride too. The twin cradle frame, coupled with the telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide great stability, while the well-balanced geometry ensures confidence in corners. It's not just a cruiser, it's built for performance, with a responsive throttle and an engaging ride that's perfect for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Tech and features. Royal Enfield has equipped the Shotgun 650 with modern tech without compromising on its classic charm. You get a fully digital instrument cluster that includes essential info like speed, revs, and trip data. There's also a hazard light switch, USB charging port, and LED lighting all around, and of course the bike features dual-channel ABS for added safety. It's clear that Royal Enfield is keeping up with the times while preserving the charm of its legacy. For conclusion, the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Twin is a bike that combines style, performance, and modern tech all wrapped in a vintage-inspired package. It's perfect for riders who want a bike that stands out and delivers a rewarding experience on every ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a weekend road trip, the Shotgun 650 is ready to take you there in style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. Until next time, ride safe.